Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset this oil maintenance life on this Honda Civic. First thing you want to do is put your key in the ignition and turn it on. Not the engine, just the electronics. So now we're going to push this SCL reset button until the oil life comes on the dash. Right there. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and push this button for 10 seconds or at least until the service oil light starts blinking. So now I'm pushing it down. Now it's starting to blink. And now hold it for another 5 seconds. And now the oil life is back to 100%. And that's how you reset your maintenance light. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also check out our Instagram and TikTok. We post there as well.